Guys, my name's Lou, and today I'm actually going to show you how you can remove a FlexTube from a FlexBeam. These are quite often used within FlexQube carts to actually hang up different materials. So they could be different reels or wire coils or heavy duty wires that you actually need to hang on the tubes here. Now the purpose of being able to easily remove the tubes or place them differently along the beam is in case you have different materials you need to move, or if you actually have to use the cart for a different purpose. Now to actually remove a tube or remove a hanger like this, all you need is a drill, and then we can just start unscrewing the M6 bolts from the base. So there are actually 4 M6 screws in the base of the tube. There is a flex plate attached to the bottom of the tube here. Make sure you hold on to the tube when you get down to the final screw. Once you have all 4 of the screws removed, you can just easily remove the flex tube, and then you can place it again along the beam. So this makes it much easier when your materials change, or if you actually have to change the cart for another purpose. Thanks very much, guys.